Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. I'm Sharon Holt, the author of Te Reo Sing-Along books, and this beautiful one is called Puanga Me Matariki. It's a gorgeous song that you will love, and it's a really good addition to our Matariki series of books, which is now 3 of them. Puanga you might know about if you live particularly in Taranaki, Whanganui area, South Island or far north. You might know about the star Puanga and how it's connected to Matariki. So this one is showing where the stars are in the sky and how they relate to each other. It's a really beautiful one about how Puanga rises first, and some people can only see Puanga. And it's not that it replaces Matariki, but it works hand in hand. So this beautiful one with the English on the pages in this case, with these gorgeous photographs, is all about how Puanga and Matariki work hand in hand, and at the end we're talking about basically it's all about the Māori lunar cycles according to the Māori lunar calendar. This is the time when we open the door to the new year, and this is the time where we close the door on the old year. So I think you'll really love Puanga and Matariki, even if you are in an area where you don't particularly have any familiarity with acknowledging Puanga. Give it a go anyway. Ka kite.